everyone, Susie1Q here. I have a Birchbox unboxing for you. This is the September 2016 edition of Birchbox. My style profile is very basic. I keep my makeup to a minimum. Right now I have a little bit of lip gloss on and a little bit of mascara. I try to stay away from wearing dark colors. I have very red complected skin, and my hair, I'm a natural redhead with some highlights in right now. So I do, and I'm in my 40s, so I do try to keep my makeup and style to very classic, very minimal. So please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. If you also think that I should just videotape the unboxing live, then I will most certainly start to do that. Okay? Thank you, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.